welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing all of my desserts, like all of my squishy desserts. So let's get on into the video. So the first squishy I have is this pie squishy, and it's really soft and squishy, and it is Orb licensed. It's like, you can't really see it on camera, but it is really, really soft. And the whipped cream is kind of peeling off, but that's okay. Next squishy is this cupcake that my mom made from the Karina Garcia kit, and it's really squishy. Then the next one is this cream puff, and it's like really squishy, and this is actually one of my really old squishies, but anyways, it's a cream puff. It's a dessert. And the next one is this ice cream. It's super squishy, and it's, again, licensed by Orb. It's so squishy. It's like strawberry, and that has strawberry chunks in it. And then we have this squishy. It's like, I always forget the name of it, but it's a Squishmallow. And jasmine raspberry cheesecake. It smells really good. For some reason, it smells like oatmeal, but yeah. Then the next one is this donut, and so it's really squishy, and it's kind of a weird form, but anyways, it's still really good, and it smells good too. Okay. It's squishy. And the next one is this cupcake. It has like a chocolate heart, and it's really cute, and it goes from like this purpley color to a pinkish color. It doesn't really show up that good on camera, but and then we have this cupcake. This one smells like green tea, kind of. It's weird, but then it has this cherry on top and this frosting and sprinkles. And surprisingly, none of the sprinkles have fallen off yet. And then this cupcake, the bottom of the cupcake. So then there is this it's really squishy. I don't really know what it is. I think it's like some type of cake. I really don't know. But it's really squishy, and again, licensed by Orb. Then this one is one of my very first squishies, and it's so soft. This was my dream squishy before I had any squishies, but I got it for like one of my very first squishies. So then I got this Hello Kitty skull. I forgot. Oh, sugar skull donut, and it's really squishy. And here's the tag. It's really cute. And then this is like really cool because look, it's a popsicle, but it's a pen. So like it's like this part is the popsicle stick, but then this part is the popsicle stick, but then it's also like a pen. It's really cool. So yeah. Anyways, my background just fell. But anyways, yeah. Really squishy. And I don't know what color this is. I think it might just be normal ink, but yeah. Then I have this donut squishy that's also a pen. So yeah. It's really cute. Hold on, I need to, these are always so weird to cap up. Okay. So anyways, the next one, it had a twin. Thought I'd put it out, but I guess I didn't. So it had like another little one that I put out. I don't know. But anyways, oh, these two are the same donut. So except this one's way softer, and this one's like way stiffer. So yeah. And then there's this half of ice cream. And so yeah, it's really squishy, but sadly it broke, which is like really sad. Okay, and then there's this donut squishy. I know I have a lot of desserts. And then there's this mini ice cream. And then there's this eclair. And then there's two cookies, but like this one is way softer and this one's like really stiff. Oops. It's like really stiff. And then this is a donut. It's a cooler donut and it has like star thingy. I don't know. Then there's Hello Kitty donut. And then it's like really cool because it has powdered sugar on the bottom and then it's like dripping down from here and it's like really cool. Then this is a squishy I made from Karina Garcia. It's kind of peeling, but it's this blue donut and it's really cute. Then my last dessert squishy is this cake squishy. And it's really squishy. It's the peanut butter, chocolate, and strawberry version of this cake. And that has like mint frosting or something. Or like not frosting, but like whipped cream. I don't really know. And then chocolate strawberries on top. So that's all of my squishies that are desserts. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a huge like and smash the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Bye.